Hey everyone, so today I'm going to see Statue of Liberty. No, I'm not in America, but yeah, someday I want to go to America. But today I'm going to the Statue of Liberty in Japan, which I'm going to take you along with me. So make sure to watch the video till the end because you will get to see Statue of Liberty, not in America, but in Japan. Along with me, I'm also taking my headphone because in the train I'm going to edit the video. Now I think I'm ready with my headphones and everything. Now let's go. See, I am on cycle now. If you remember my Goa video, I told you that it's in my destiny to ride bicycle. As much as I know, the station where I have to go to is Odaiba station, and that station looks so ultimate, I'm going to show that to you how the station looks like. It is different from other stations because that is on the coast of the sea. So I'll show you through this channel. I am not only exploring Japan myself, but I am showing everything to you also. And if I am not wrong, the Statue of Liberty in America is in New York, and the Statue of Liberty in Japan is in Tokyo. Both are the cities where people so desperately want to go to. Even if I ever want to go to America, I'd like to go to New York only. Well, it's a beautiful afternoon. You must be wondering why I am wearing this jacket. It's afternoon time, but in the evening it's going to be cold, so I think wearing jacket is better. So here I'm going to park my bicycle, but there is no space available. Okay, I saw one space here. My cycle is parked and this is the station, so let's go to the station. Today I'm not parking my bicycle at that restaurant because it's 2:30 right now. 2:45, so I think it's better I can park here because now nobody's going to check. Since I'm feeling very hot, I'm taking off my jacket. Now I'm feeling very relaxed. For people who think Japan is not beautiful, I'm going to show you the view for 5 minutes. Enjoy the view from the train. Well, now I have boarded some different train to go to Statue of Liberty. Let me show you how that train is. Let me tell you that it's an automatic train. It runs automatically. There is no driver. That's the bullet train.
The next station is Odaiba Kaihei Koen. 近くの入店コーナーを押さえてください。ゆりかもめは自動運転中です。発車の際にはドアが自動で閉まります。ベビーカーのご使用などで乗り降りに時間が必要なお客様はドアの開閉時間を調整いたしますので、お近くのインターホンでお知らせください。The Unicom line is currently operating automatically. The doors will automatically close before departure. If you are using a baby carriage or require extra time to enter or exit the train, please notify us immediately. We will make an adjustment.
That is the Statue of Liberty. We are going to go there. Don't worry, I'll show you.
ありがとうございます。ゆりかもめは自動運転中です。以上乗車は必要ですのでご覧ください。まもなくお台場海浜公園。まもなく台場です。右側のドアが開きます。ご注意ください。
Well, we have reached Daiba station. If I show you there, so this is how the station looks like. It looks more like Switzerland, Europe than Japan. And let me flip the camera and show it to you. That's how it looks like. Daiba station. So I have to get down now, so let me go down now. Well, I am thinking about speaking less and showing you more because this area is very beautiful. So we have reached Odaiba station. Seema is also there, and here if you see Hilton Hotel is there that side, and we came here to see Statue of Liberty. What was the gate number? Odaiba station 2A. That's the station, and from there we came out. So that is Aqua City Odaiba, and there is Statue of Liberty. We'll go close to that, but let's roam around first a bit. So that's the Odaiba bridge, the rainbow bridge. So that's the Odaiba illumination. You must have heard about it from someone, and that's that ball. See, now we are near to Statue of Liberty. So we are going towards the Statue of Liberty now. You can see there are so many foreigners clicking pictures and all. Right behind this tree, you'll get to see Statue of Liberty. What a rhyme. So guys, we are not in America. We are in Japan. I think it's not as tall as it is in America, but yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, so we have seen Statue of Liberty and it's too much of sunlight right now, so we are thinking about coming back here again. So for now we are going to go towards the beach to see how the beach looks like, which is right now around 4:30. So yeah, come. So that's where the beach is, so I'm going to take you there. You know, I feel pity for a few people. They still have to go to office. Today is a Saturday, but still they're working. So I don't want anybody to work on Saturday and Sundays because I also don't want to do that. See there, you can go till there. So let's go. And that's the beach, and you can see the roads. They are so clean that even if you try to find some dust or some dirt, any garbage, you're not going to find anything, even if you try to find. Right now, as there is so much of sunlight, so we thought of not going there and sitting here for some time.